me from the 2000s, the 90s, and today it's Star 1013. It's Marcus and Corey. It's Wednesday. Question: can you be married to somebody and have them be the only person you ever dated? Producer Jason brought this up.
I know a couple that is like this. I was talking about them with my wife last night. Blows my mind. We were just talking about our weekend plans. We're going to try to see these people, and she reminded me that these two are the only people they've ever dated. They got together early in high school, fell in love, got married, had a kid. Neither of them has ever dated, been with, however you want to put it, anybody else.
Ever.
I didn't think that happened. And these are Bay Area people, like, raised here, whatever. Like, I didn't think that happened in these big metro areas. You know what I mean, Corey? Maybe small town, you know, there's not that many people around.
Big metro areas we sleep around. Is that what you're saying?
What? I mean, there's a lot more people. There's a lot more things to do. There's a lot more people to meet. If you grew up in a small town, middle of the country, maybe not so much. I don't know.
I have a friend from high school, a really good friend from high school, who went off to college, went to Yale, full scholarship. Shout out to her for being so smart.
Hey.
Met her now husband, first person she ever seriously dated and you know, did serious things with. Still together, 2 kids. Never been with anybody else.
How long have they been together?
I mean, she married back maybe like 2000.
Okay.
So they've been together for a while. And then I have another friend who met her husband when she was in high school. Same thing. They've got 4 kids, never been with anybody else.
And these people are all very happy, right?
Very happy.
Yeah, see, that's the thing. I feel like a terrible person, like, because I'm mildly judging them, but they're happy. So it's like, what?
Y'all didn't play the field? You didn't
Right?
sleep around? What's wrong with you?
Well, they don't know what they're missing. Because my whole theory was, I'm not going to buy a car I haven't test driven. So
I used to think of dating as like a job interview. Any sense?
Well, are we talking about dating?
Yes, we're talking about dating.
Okay. We're not talking about just, you know,
I
having
can't-
a time.
I've always you meet a girl, and whether you hook up right away or it takes time, a year-long relationship, because I don't know how to get out.
He's that guy.
I am that guy.
He's
Always
very
have been.
emotional, yeah.
They've been together since they were 13. They met on a cruise when they were 13. They're my age.
But you think about it this way, they've never had to worry about STDs. They've never had to worry about anything like
That's a
that.
silver lining, I guess. Even his dad was like, I really wish he would play the field a little bit. I really wish he would so. Yeah. And I remember being insanely jealous because he was 13 with a girlfriend. You know what I mean? And then they turned 15, and then it became, oh yeah, we've never done any of that stuff. And then at 16, and then 17, and then they had rules about whatever.
When did they get married?
Oh gosh, 23? Together with 5 kids, probably listening right now. What's up, Tom and Linda?
But the thing is, if they're happy, it's not judging them. It's just everybody has their own path, right? It's not that my mother was telling me to go play the field, but my mother was like, have your own life, have your own career, make sure that you're happy in what you've accomplished before you bring another person into your life. And I feel like if you're super young and you get married and start having kids, that's your path.
Yeah.
That's it. You know, that's what you're going to be doing. So I didn't get married until I was 32.
I guess when you find your person, you find your person. You know what I mean? And
Yeah.
that's it. And I didn't find my person. I was 37, 38, and she was 22, and that was it. If I had found her 10 years before, I'd already be married like 30 years probably. You know what I mean?
Well, we have it on the Marcus and Corey Facebook page,
Yes.
so if that's you, if you know somebody who met at 10
Never
years
been
old
with
and
anyone
they've been,
else.
yeah.
By the way, Jason's not
Fascinating.
judging you at all.
No.
I think he's more flabbergasted than anything.
No, honestly,
I
yes.
also think it's beautiful, but do that or hit us up on the Talkback feature on the iHeartRadio app if you're listening to Star 1013 on the internet. Would love to hear from you. Hit that little microphone and send us a message, all right? All right, it's time to win some money. We've been talking about easy money all morning. Here's your shot at $1,000.
Star 1013 has your shot at $1,000 in gas cash right now.
Just enter the nationwide keyword credit on our website. That's credit. Enter it right now at 1013.com.
Everyone's pet is special. you've never seen him before. Dwayne Johnson and Kevin Hart plays Ace, the leader of a group of shelter pets. And when the two of them team up to save the world, well, as you can imagine, they don't exactly for a hilariously good time. It's everyone's two favorite things, superheroes and pets in one movie. Don't miss DC Super Pets in theaters July 29th, rated PG.
The news on flavored e-cigs talks a lot about the technology and teen use, but parents need to know more about the dangers of nicotine. So know this. Nicotine is one of the most toxic of all poisons. 2. Kids are more at risk for developing addiction. 3. A nicotine addiction can make it easier for kids to get addicted to other drugs. So even when it tastes like candy, nicotine is brain poison. Go to flavorsforkids.org for more.
Visit sizzledInCalifornia.com for money-saving offers on beef, sweepstakes, recipes, videos, and more. Kick off your summer grilling greatness at sizzledInCalifornia.com from the California Beef Council.
There's magic in the world.
People will tell you there isn't.
They just want you to get back to work.
Be quiet.
And not
Those people need 1-800-GOT-JUNK.
when you've seen the magic.
And felt the magic.
The workers deny the magic.
We make junk disappear.
All you have to do is point.
And now we pause for a word from Charlotte, the junk fairy.
A friend is a person who always brings a little magic with them.
Be a friend. Call 1-800-GOT-JUNK.
Or visit 1-800-GOTJUNK.com.
Hey, it's Corey from The Morning Show. I have tried many different cleanses, and Squeezed is by far my favorite. The quality and flavor of the juices is outstanding, and you can't beat how easy the process is. Head to Squeeze.com, and you can get free same-day delivery. Just use the code word radio. One gal I talked to lost 3 pounds with the one-day cleanse, and cleanses go all the way up to 7 days. You have more energy, my skin is better, and that's just doing the 2-day cleanse. Don't forget to enter Corey on Star 1013. That's COREY.com.
Thanks, everyone, for making your way here on the toasty morning. Are you all ready to jam? Excellent. Before we get rolling, let's start by hashing out everything bagel. Profit margins are okay, but they could maybe be butter. Sorry, I don't mean to waffle. Next quarter, it's all or muffin. Did you have a question, Sausage Patty?
My name's Patricia.
When you can't take your mind off breakfast, it matters where you stay. Delicious breakfast available at our Hilton family of brands. Hilton, for the stay.
Our aisles are bursting with berries at Whole Foods Market. Get 18-ounce organic blueberries for $5.99 each through July 26th while supplies last. Plus, Prime members save an extra 10%. Shop in-store or online at Amazon.com/Whole Foods. Terms apply.
Come on, we're gonna be late to the cookout. I was just packing up my famous mac and cheese.
I hope you packed the Pepto, too.
Huh?
Pepto-Bismol provides fast relief from heartburn and indigestion. You know, that uncomfortable feeling after you eat too much, and after the deviled eggs, baked beans, and barbecue ribs. You're gonna need it.
Barbecue ribs? I should probably pack an extra shirt, too.
Good call.
When you have nausea, heartburn, indigestion, diarrhea. Pepto-Bismol. Use as directed. Keep out of reach of children.
There's something out here.
This Friday. Oh, yeah.
You think that's a UFO?
Yeah. The next level of the Jordan Peele experience arrives.
Yeah, no.
I don't think they think you. Yeah. Maybe I'll look at it. No. Yeah. That's not what you think. No. Written. In theaters and IMAX Friday. Rated R. Under 17, not admitted without parent.
Gorgeous gaming, stunning screens, unbelievable bandwidth. It's another Lifestyles of Gagillionaires. Meet the AT&T fiber customers winning at life with hyper gig speeds. Meet Gagillionaire Terry. While his love of streaming horror movies has him constantly on the edge of his seat, his internet bill won't give him a scare. Oh, I'm going there. I'm telling you. Because since Terry upgraded to AT&T fiber with hyper gig speeds, he doesn't worry about data caps or equipment fees. Oh man, the door's open for a reason. And he also doesn't stress about a price increase at 12 months, because with the amazing Gagillionaire lifestyle comes an exquisite sense of tranquility. Most of the time. Live like a Gagillionaire. Get straightforward pricing with AT&T Fiber. Internet that upgrades everything. No data caps, no equipment fees, and no price increase at 12 months.
Limited availability in select areas. Visit att.com/hypergig for details.